I am Prabhakar, aged 62 years. 1 month ago, I was affected by coronavirus. After another 3 days or 4 days, 4 members of our family also tested positive. So there are 8 members in our family. Out of 8, 5 members tested positive. So after knowing that 5 members of our family got positive for coronavirus, so what we did, how we spent, and how we faced coronavirus, and finally came out of the symptoms of coronavirus. That is the purpose of my talk here. So first, when we know that 5 members of our family are tested positive, we did not fear, we did not lose any of our courage, or we did not become panic. So what we did is, the total members of our family segregated into 2 groups. One group who are corona positive, and the other group negative. So those 3 people who are negative, they were kept in ground floor, and all 5 members who are tested positive were kept in upstairs. The people who are corona negative, they are preparing food and providing to us. So every one of us, we had a separate place, glass, cup, etc. After taking food, we were washing our plate, glass and all with hot water. Even we were washing our clothes with hot water. So what was the daily routine during the days? The daily routine is, after brushing, we take a glass of hot lemon water, in which 1 full lemon is squeezed and 2 spoonfuls of honey is added. After 1 hour or 1.5 hours, we take a cup of milk, in which 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder is added and a pinch of pepper. This is the second. Then after another 1 or 2 hours, we take a cup of kada. So kada is suggested by Ayush. So in preparing kada, there are 4 ingredients are used. Number 1, tulasi. Number 2, dalchini. Number 3, black pepper. And number 4, dry ginger. With this, kada is prepared. And the 4th one is ORS. So these 4 we were taking one after another with a gap of 1.5 hour or 2 hours throughout the day. And the second thing that we are what we did is steam inhalation. For steam inhalation, Easy Breath capsules are available in the medical shops. So we bought that Easy Breath capsules, and we did steam inhalation minimum 2 to 3 times per day. And then the third one is gargling. So there are 2 methods of gargling. One is with the lukewarm water, in which salt is added, and we did gargling. The other one is, there is a medicine available called betadine. 5 ml of this betadine liquid, added another 5 ml of water, and then did gargling. So this gargling will clear your throat and give relief from cough. Then other thing what we did is, every day, some 15 to 20 minutes, we were sitting under sunlight, and another 15 to 20 minutes we are walking, or sometimes doing yoga, or meditation. Yes. Then next we'll come to the diet. As long as fever is there, we were not able to take all complex food materials. So that is why we took light food like curd rice or sago rice boiled in or cooked in milk with sugar, or bread and jam. Then we were also in between taking the soaked almond seeds and also cashew nuts. So this will give energy. So this is after 3-4 days or after fever is subsided, we have added boiled egg, and then of course gradually non-veg. And not only this, we have taken different types of fruits, whatever that are available, and we have taken the fruit juices also. So that is how our schedule every day. Now let us come to the medicines. What are the medicines that we have used to control this, control the symptoms of COVID? Early morning, that is on empty stomach, there is one tablet called Ranitidine. Then after breakfast, there is a tablet called zinc sulfate, dispersible, means it can be dissolved in water. So one tablet we divide into two, one part after breakfast and another part in the afternoon. Then ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, chewable, 2 or 3 per day. We have taken this vitamin C tablets. Then calcium carbonate and vitamin D3. This at least 1 per day. Then Zincovit or multivitamin tablets. These we have taken at least 1 per day. Then when we come to the antibiotics that we have taken, azithromycin 500 mg, that we have taken for 5 days. After breakfast, 1 tablet a day. Then apart from azithromycin, one more antibiotic that we have taken is doxycycline 100 mg. So this doxycycline 100 mg, 5 days we have taken, every day 2 tablets, 1 tablet after breakfast and another tablet after dinner. Then of course paracetamol or Dolo 650, as long as fever is there, every 6 hours we have taken this Dolo 150. So with this medication and with this schedule what I have explained, we could tested corona negative on 9th day. Everybody, after appearing the symptoms on 9th day, when we went for test, we tested negative. So that is how we were cured, and we became negative, corona negative after 9 days. So those who are having the symptoms, mild or moderate symptoms, they can follow this schedule. Certainly they'll become negative not on, in less than 9 days itself. So that is why whenever somebody positive for corona, they should not get panic. One more thing what we did is pulse oximeter. Pulse oximeter measures the oxygen percentage in our blood. So oxygen percentage in our blood must reading must be between 95 and 100. It may come up to 93 also. But if the reading goes down than 90, that means the person needs external supply of oxygen. That means the person has to be admitted in the hospital. So we were checking our oxygen level in our blood every day, some 2-3 times. So with all these precautions and medicines, we became negative, and all our symptoms are subsided. So I thought I can share these experiences so that anybody becomes positive, they can follow this schedule and get rid of the problem of coronavirus. Thank you.